Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some no cook, no fail, foolproof, creamy 2-ingredient fudge. So let's get started. To make this easy fudge, start with equal amounts of peanut butter and chocolate chips, and then microwave on medium until it has melted. And I'm going to chop up some chocolate chips to sprinkle on the top. And I lined a loaf pan with some parchment paper. And I'm going to pour in my mixture. And I'm going to just swirl a bit more peanut butter. And sprinkle my chocolate over the top. And I'm going to refrigerate until it's set. Okay, my fudge has set up, so now I'm just going to run a knife down both sides. And lift it out. And there you go, some very easy, creamy peanut butter, no cook, no fail fudge. To make these Nutella Truffles, you're going to need some Oreo cookies. Place them in a bag and crush them either with the bottom of a cup or with a rolling pin. Now you're going to start by putting some Nutella in a bowl, and there's no exact measurement. And I like to soften mine up somewhat with some hot water. So that was about 3/4 of a cup of Nutella and probably 3 tablespoons of water. And now I'm just going to start adding my Oreo crumbs. Like that until you get a fairly stiff dough. And then I shape them into balls and I place them on a greased plate. Okay, so I have all my truffles rolled, and now I have 3 different containers here. I have cocoa in one, and I have just plain granulated sugar, and I have icing sugar. And I'm just going to drop, I'll do 3 at a time in here. Drop 3, there, put the cover on, and give them a shake. And then you'll have them coated like that. And I'll do some in the cocoa. Like that. And in the granulated sugar. So that's it. They're pretty easy to make. Couldn't get any easier than that. Only 2 ingredients in the actual truffle. And here are some easy, no-cook peanut butter balls. You're going to put 4 ingredients in a microwavable bowl. Peanut butter, brown sugar, white chocolate chips, and some margarine, butter, or coconut oil. And you're going to microwave on high for 1 minute and check to see if everything is melted. If not, use 30-second intervals and microwave it. And You're going to be able to roll them into these balls and roll them into any kind of sprinkles. They're very easy to make. So you add a pinch of salt if you like, and then mix in some powdered sugar, and place the balls into a bowl of sprinkles, and then just shake it around to roll the balls into any kind of sprinkles that you would like. I've got some little chocolate sprinkles or some colored sprinkles, and then just refrigerate until they've been hardened. To make these easy peanut butter snowballs, I'm going to start out with some peanut butter. And then I'm going to mix in some confectioner's sugar. And there are no set amounts, just whatever you need to be able to make this into a dough. And I'm going to mix it with my hands, so I put a rubber glove on. So I just mix it until it sticks together like this. So now I'm just going to pinch off a small amount and roll it into a ball. And I made 14 with just that small amount of peanut butter and icing sugar. And I could dip these right away in chocolate, but they would take longer to set. So I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 15 minutes, and then the chocolate will set up immediately. Okay, I have chilled my balls. They're not frozen, but they are cold. And I have some melted white chocolate and some waxed paper. So I'm going to take a ball, drop it down into the white chocolate, and place it on the wax paper. And I'm going to do that with all my balls. Okay, I have all my balls coated, and now I'm just going to drizzle a little bit more chocolate on these balls. And there you have some peanut butter snowballs. And here's some no-cook peanut butter fudge. Your ingredients: peanut butter, butter or margarine or coconut oil, white chocolate chips, brown sugar, salt, powdered sugar, and chopped peanuts if you like. It's very yummy. This fudge is so creamy. So you put all that in a microwavable bowl, and you don't have to be exact, just whatever you think. And you're going to microwave. There's your white chocolate chips, your peanut butter, your butter or margarine, and your brown sugar. So you're going to microwave on high for 1 minute. And you're going to check if everything's not melted, just microwave for 1 more minute. You're going to stir to mix it all up, add a pinch of salt. And then you're going to mix in your powdered sugar, just until the mixture is thickened somewhat. There's no exact amount. And you're going to pour that into a greased pan, and you're going to refrigerate until it's hardened up. And then you cut it into squares and enjoy.